The world is wide, yet the most soul-stirring glimpses they hide in ordinary moments.
Come on, let's go!
Hikvision D2, the multi-scene action dashcam. Pocket size, but world-encompassing. Featherlight, but story-laden. No drag on your journey. Pocket, pouch, or palm effortless to fit. Signature magnetic quick release. Snap to start in 1 second. Bikes, helmets, or gear mount with freedom. Cycling, traveling, or exploring. Built for all. Tap to play, record your way. Hikvision D2, built for every scene. Dashcam mode, 4K Ultra HD recording. Capture every journey with peace of mind. HDR imaging, enhanced visual depth. True-to-life colors, vivid and clear. Effortless daily capture. Elevate your everyday life. Outdoor vistas, boundless, captured. IP67 protection, waterproof, dustproof. Ready for anything. Zero prep, instant capture. Never miss a highlight. Extended battery module, leave battery anxiety behind. Seamlessly sync with Dashcam app. Live view, one tap download. Share in a flash. Hikvision D2, tiny in size, grand in vision.